Hi, and welcome back. And if you can tell, I'm not standing, so I don't think I'll be working on the Bronco tonight. But I just want to tell you about some changes I'm thinking about doing. I recently had I won't say job offer, but a part-time gig to do, basically mowing every week. But be getting $100 per week, so that's $400 a month, and that just is going to go straight to the Bronco. The changes I'm thinking about making is one, having the body work and paint kind of done by a professional. If you hadn't noticed, about the last month I've been messing with that kick panel, and I think I'm doing more damage than I am doing any kind of progress. I'm kind of feel like I don't know, just making more work for myself in the end. When a professional probably could just have that on there in, I don't know, a few hours. And it's taken me a month, it seems like, to even get it halfway pulled off. But I was gonna allot $200 a month to the body work and paint work, and my hope is that he can take the body, all the panels I have, and work on that at his shop, and leave me the frame and the transmission, all the other stuff. Like he just take the body and just run with it. I figure doing $200 a month probably won't get too far too quick on the body, but I think he'll allow it to kind of not, in other words, be stored there, and he'll work on it when he can, and then I'll pay him when I can. But that's my thoughts on that, because I mean, I have to give it up to a channel like Mustang Rehab. I mean, he does his own stuff, and I'm impressed with it, and I wish I had the talent capability to do that. But I just figure, I mean, I want this to be nice, and I just don't want to goober it up. And second thing is I don't think the mechanic that had planned on joining us is gonna join us, because I basically asked him to come over and shoot some videos about a month ago. No response, so I'm just gonna give up on that idea. But I can handle most of this other stuff myself. Like I said before, I mean, my father's a master mechanic, so I'm sure he'd come and help me out a little bit if I need it. But that's the main thing. Is I think I'm going to sub out the bodywork and paint, because I really like to get this thing going in the next year or two, if not 3. And by the rate I'm going, it's not going to happen. And 2, the content of this channel, I want to provide entertainment and some sort of value, and I don't believe I'm accomplishing either one, but just doing the same thing again and again. And that's another reason I want to move to something else. But with that being said, hopefully the next couple weeks we'll have the Bronco out of here, body off, and the frame back. And when I go from there, I'm just gonna strip the frame completely bare, either have somebody blast it, or just try to get the grease and grime and paint off the best I can. And I'd love to have somebody powder coat it, but I don't think I have the budget for that, so I'll probably just end up painting it. But at least we'll show some progress on what we're doing here. And like I said, if he takes the body, I'll do a monthly progress report, do a video over it, showing you what's progress to be made and what he's done, and hopefully kind of about how he's doing it. So I would really love for y'all to see how somebody else does it, I mean, I have no clue how to do it, if you hadn't already could tell. But that's the plan. I know it stinks. I originally wanted to do this all myself, and I don't know. It'd be nice to do it myself. I'm not gonna lie. I'd like to do that, and I still love to do that, but I just can't afford to be pulling the kick panel off for a year, if you know what I mean. So this opportunity, just year round, and it'll be here for now on. So at least I'll have a steady stream of income to put towards the Bronco, and then hopefully when that gets done, we pour it towards another vehicle that I have. And if there's ever a time that the Bronco or the frame's not in, I'll pull in. I've got the Camaro out there that needs a windshield now, and needs a ton of work. Or we might try to start the Healy up, let you hear how it runs. But we'll continue to do stuff in the garage. I was kicking around the idea, like I'm wanting to raise funds for the Bronco, and my hometown has a fair every year, and I assume they're still doing it this year, but I didn't know if y'all would be interested in seeing how I make keychains and stuff of that nature with my little forge up there and my anvil. So I was thinking about making some of those and trying to sell those at the fair and put that towards the Bronco too. I don't know if let me know if you'd be interested in me shooting some videos over me doing some minor blacksmithing. But other than that, I just feel bad because I really had high hopes about doing it, but it's way beyond my skill. And like I said before, I want this to be nice, just something that's I can enjoy and not have to worry about, a fender falling off or my gaps not being right on the doors and the hood. And I know the guy I'm going to take it to is really good. He'll produce quality work, but it just may take some time. But anyways, I don't know, made a vision board, so to speak. I don't know if you can tell, but so far this is what I got on it. Paint and body, frame. You take everything in frame blasted, powder coated paint. Put suspension parts on it. Do the motor work, transmission, wiring, interior. I'm gonna put a roll cage and hardtop on it. Those are just very, very basic goals at the moment. I may think about them more and break them more down, but this is kind of just a rough timeline of what I want to get done and when I want to get done. I'll put that up somewhere. Oh, and if you see that way up there in the corner, my wife, she wrote that. Oh man, it's been back when I was in high school still, I think. It's probably about 18 years ago. But yeah, me and my wife's been together since high school, so I'm gonna keep that on there. But anyways, yeah, it's just a rough outline of how I'm gonna go about it, and once we get one of those done, I'll mark it off and go on to the next one. But yeah, just sorry if y'all are hoping that I'd do the body work and paint work myself, but like I said before, I just don't have the technical ability, and I really want it to be nice because I'd like to take it to a lot of shows. And the next thing is I reached a milestone, 75 subscribers as of yesterday, maybe today. But that just blows my mind. I never imagined somebody clicking on a video of mine and watching it and actually wanting to see more, because back in high school I never was the type to be in front of a camera or by a camera or anything like that, and I never spoke publicly or to a large group of people. But I think doing this has really helped me. I feel more confident in speaking in front of people now. I'm not going to say that I can go in front of thousands and say something, but it's better. Like I joke around, I took a public speaking course in college over the internet because I had that credit, and they offered it for one semester, and I grabbed it. But I mean, if any of y'all are doing a project, doesn't have to be a Bronco, just anything, shoot a video, you know, and go over it. People will watch, and it'll keep you motivated and keep you working on it. That was my main goal with this channel, was just to keep me going on project, because I got, you know, a few of them around that's been just sitting for years, especially this one. It hadn't run in 4 or 5 years. Yeah, actually 5 or 6 years, come think of it. And I just got tired of it sitting, and I really want to enjoy it again. So, like I say, if you, anything you're doing, I mean, it can be painting or rebuild a motorcycle, side by side, or just selling stuff on eBay. If it's what you like to do, shoot a video over it and post it to YouTube. It'll keep you going. And I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, the new ones and the old, and I don't want to say the old ones, but the originals. Thank you a lot. It means a lot to me that you stuck with me, and you're going on this journey with me. One day we'll get this together and we'll take it to some shows. Hopefully by then I'll have a GoPro and we can mount it on it, and I can take you to shows that I go to, and it should be really neat. Hopefully we get to do that again. But anyways, sorry I didn't do anything tonight on the Bronco, but I just kind of want to let you know where I'm leaning towards. I'm going to get a hold of the paint and body guy this week and see if we can't work out a deal. So sometime this week, maybe next week, the Bronco may not be here, but we'll pull something else in, or we'll mess with the Healy. I'll show you what it sounds like, because it does run. I mean, roughly, but it runs. Might fire that up. It needs to be fired up anyways, and we can start kind of skipping ahead, but either start disassembling this or work out a plan to get that 351 Windsor and that C4 automatic transmission out of that 72 LTD my grandfather has. And if we do that, I'll shoot a video on it. I haven't told my parents that I have a channel yet, so might be a surprise to them while I'm videoing. So we'll see how that goes. But anyways, yeah, things are changing, and like I said, I'm sorry if I led you under false pretenses to doing the Bronco all by myself. I just realized that, I mean, I don't have the time to mess with one panel for a month. If I did that, then the content would get real stagnant, and I'd get extremely frustrated. So I'm going to let a professional handle it, and we'll just move on to something else. You know, there's always something to do. But anyways, if you made it through this, thank you, and I'll see you on the next. We'll do something. It may not be body work, but I'll find something to do on the Bronco if it's still here. Like I said, if not, we'll fire up the Healy. Let you hear that. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.